Learn English easily with simple, real-life conversations.
Hello, hello. Welcome back to Real Talk English Now. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. Hey everyone, how are you today?
We're so happy you're here. Today we have a really useful topic. We're talking about the gym.
Yes, and I have to be honest with you all, I'm a little nervous about this topic.
Oh, really? Why, James?
Well, I made a New Year's resolution. A resolution is like a promise to yourself, right?
That's right. A New Year's resolution is a promise you make to yourself at the start of the year.
My resolution is to get healthy. I want to start exercising, but I've never really been to a gym before.
That's okay. Many people feel nervous about going to the gym for the first time. You're not alone.
That makes me feel better. So today, we're going to learn some easy phrases you can use at the gym to talk to people.
Exactly. We'll learn how to break the ice. Break the ice means to start a conversation with someone new.
And we'll talk about small talk. Small talk is light, friendly conversation, not too serious.
Right, like talking about the weather or asking simple questions.
Before we start, if you're enjoying this podcast, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
Okay, let's get started. James, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Okay, so imagine this. You walk into the gym. It's your first time. What do you say?
Do I just say hello?
Yes, hello is perfect. Or you can say hi or even hey. Very simple.
Hi? Hello? Hey.
Good. Now, let's say you want to use a machine, but someone is standing near it. What do you say?
Oh, this is my problem. I never know what to say.
Don't worry. Here's an easy phrase. Excuse me, are you using this?
Excuse me, are you using this? That's it?
That's it. Let me say it again slowly. Excuse me, are you using this?
Excuse me, are you using this?
Perfect. Or you can point to the machine and say, is this free?
Is this free? That means, is this available?
Exactly. Free means nobody is using it right now.
Okay, let me practice. Excuse me, is this machine free?
Great job, James. Now the other person might say, yes, go ahead. That means, yes, you can use it.
Go ahead. That's like giving permission, right?
Right. Or they might say, sorry, I'm using it. Then you say, no problem, thanks.
No problem. Thanks. Easy.
See, you're already learning. Now here's another situation. Someone is using a machine you want. You can ask, how many sets do you have left?
Wait, what's a set?
Good question. A set is a group of exercises. For example, if you lift weights 10 times, that's one set.
Oh, okay. So how many sets do you have left means how much longer will you use this?
Exactly. Let's practice. I'll be at the gym, and you ask me.
Okay. Excuse me, how many sets do you have left?
Just one more. I'll be done in 2 minutes.
Oh, thank you.
See? Natural conversation. Easy.
Okay, Emma, so now I can ask about machines, but what if I want to talk to someone, make a friend?
Great question. Small talk is perfect for this. Remember, small talk is light and friendly.
What are some examples?
One easy phrase is, I like your shoes, or nice shirt.
I like your shoes. That's a compliment.
Yes, compliments are a great way to start conversations. People usually feel happy when you say something nice.
What if they say, thank you? What do I say next?
You can say, where did you get them? That keeps the conversation going.
Where did you get them? Okay, I can do that.
Another easy small talk topic is the workout. You can say, what are you training today?
What are you training today? That means, what exercise are you doing?
Exactly. Someone might say, I'm working on my legs, or I'm doing cardio today.
Cardio, that's like running or cycling, right?
Yes. Cardio is exercise that makes your heart beat faster. Running, cycling, swimming.
Got it. So, what are you training today?
Perfect. Now, here's another phrase. If someone looks fit and strong, you can say, you look strong. How long have you been coming here?
How long have you been coming here? That's asking about time.
Right. They might say, about 6 months, or I'm new too.
Oh, if they're new too, that's great. We can be gym buddies.
Exactly. You can say, I'm new too. Maybe we can work out together sometime.
Maybe we can work out together sometime. I like that.
Let's practice this conversation. I'll be at the gym and you start the small talk.
Okay. Hi. I like your water bottle.
Oh, thank you. I just got it last week.
Cool. So, what are you training today?
I'm working on my arms. What about you?
I'm doing a little bit of everything. I'm new here.
Oh, me too. Well, not totally new. I've been coming for about a month.
That's awesome. Maybe we can work out together sometime.
Sure, that would be fun.
Great. See you around.
Excellent, James. That was perfect. See how natural that was?
Yeah, I feel more confident already.
James, you said earlier you feel nervous about the gym. Why?
Well, I worry that people will judge me, like, oh, he doesn't know what he's doing.
I understand. Many people feel this way. But here's the truth. Most people at the gym are focused on themselves.
Really?
Yes, everyone is there to work on their own health. They're not watching you.
That makes me feel better.
Also, here's something important. You don't have to work out for an hour. Even 10 minutes counts.
Wait, really? 10 minutes?
Yes, remember this phrase. Every step counts. That means every small effort is important.
Every step counts. I like that.
If you go to the gym for just 10 or 15 minutes, that's great. It's better than nothing.
So, I don't have to be perfect.
No, nobody is perfect. The important thing is to start, to take that first step.
Take that first step. That means to begin, right?
Exactly. Here's another good phrase. Start small. Don't try to do everything on day one.
Start small. Okay. Maybe I'll just walk on the treadmill for 10 minutes.
Perfect. That's a great plan. And you know what? You can also say this to someone at the gym. If they ask about your workout, you can say, I'm starting small, just 10 minutes today.
I'm starting small, just 10 minutes today.
Yes, most people will be supportive. They might say, good for you, or that's smart.
Really? People are that nice?
Most people are. Remember, everyone started somewhere. Everyone was a beginner once.
Everyone was a beginner once. That's true.
So don't be nervous, James. You've got this.
Okay, Emma, what other phrases should I know?
Great. Let's learn a few more. First, can I work in? This means, can I use the machine while you rest?
Can I work in? So we share the machine.
Exactly. At the gym, people often rest between sets, so you can use the machine during their rest time.
That's smart. Can I work in?
Yes. Now here's another one. If someone gives you advice, you can say, thanks for the tip.
Thanks for the tip. A tip is like helpful advice, right?
Right. For example, someone might say, you should bend your knees more. Then you say, thanks for the tip.
Thanks for the tip. Got it.
Now, what if you need help? You can ask, can you spot me?
Spot me. What does that mean?
Good question. Spotting means helping someone with their exercise, especially with weights. It keeps them safe.
Oh, so if I'm lifting something heavy, someone can help me.
Exactly. You ask, can you spot me? Or can you help me with this?
Can you spot me? Okay.
And here's a polite phrase. If you're done with a machine, you can ask someone, would you like to use this?
Would you like to use this? That's very polite.
Yes, it shows you're thinking about others. People appreciate that.
I want to practice all of these. Can we do that?
Of course, let's do a quick role play. I'll be at the gym. You start.
Okay. Excuse me, can I work in with you?
Sure, I just finished one set. Go ahead.
Thanks. By the way, I noticed you have great form. Any tips?
Oh, thanks. Just make sure you keep your back straight.
Thanks for the tip. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Are you done with the machine?
Yeah, would you like to use this?
Actually, yes. Thanks for asking.
Perfect. That felt really natural.
Okay, everyone, we're near the end of today's episode. Let's recap what we learned.
Yes, first, we learned how to ask about machines. Excuse me, are you using this? Or is this free?
Right. And we learned, how many sets do you have left?
We also talked about small talk, like saying, I like your shoes or nice shirt.
Don't forget, if you want to make a friend, you can say, maybe we can work out together sometime.
And remember, every step counts. Even 10 minutes of exercise is good.
Exactly. Start small. Don't put too much pressure on yourself.
We also learned some extra phrases. Can I work in? And thanks for the tip.
And if you need help with weights, ask, can you spot me?
This is so helpful. I actually feel ready to go to the gym now.
That's great, James. You're going to do amazing.
Thank you, Emma. And thank you to everyone listening.
Now, we want to hear from you. Here's our community question today. What's your gym routine? Or if you don't go to the gym, what exercise do you do?
Maybe you walk every morning or do yoga at home.
Tell us in the comments. We love hearing from you.
And remember, even if you just walk for 10 minutes, every step counts.
Good job today, everyone. You're learning and improving. We're proud of you.
Before we go, if you enjoyed this episode, please hit that like button and subscribe.
We have new episodes every week. Next time, we'll talk about ordering food at a restaurant.